The next strategy is butterfly strategy. Now, initially we're going to start off with two types. There are two types in butterfly spread. The first is a long butterfly spread and the second is a short butterfly spread. When do we use a long butterfly spread? We use a long butterfly spread when we are short on Vega, meaning we are expect that there should be no volatility in the market. So only when there is no volatility in the market, we use a long butterfly spread. Now, pay close attention to this strategy. Let's say the strike for first is 50. Let's say the second strike is at 70 and third strike is at 100. What you do in a long butterfly strategy is you are long on the first and the last premium, long on first and the last premium, and you take two short positions on the middle strike price. Okay, you are long on the first and the last strike and too short in the middle strike. So this is how you apply a long butterfly spread. So let's say that the first strike is given to you as 100, having a premium of 160. The second strike is given to you at 200, having a premium of 75. And the third strike is given to you at 300 with a premium of 30. Now you have to apply a long butterfly spread. How do you use a long butterfly spread and how do you calculate your maximum profit, your maximum loss, and your break even? Now we know that in a long butterfly spread, we have a long on the first and the last position and too short on the middle positions. Now, how do you calculate your effective investment? First, we'll always start with calculating the maximum loss when we have to deal with a long butterfly spread. How do you calculate your maximum loss? We know that we are long here, so we are going to pay this premium, and we are long on the last one, so we're going to pay this premium. And we are short on here, so we are going to receive this premium, but we have two short positions on the middle strike, and that is why we are going to receive 2 times this premium, right? Because we have two short positions. So 160 is negative for us, and we are also paying 30. So that is why it's minus 30 and minus 160. But we are receiving 75 2 times because we are a short position. So plus 2 into 75. Okay. And this amounts to minus 40, which is directly our loss. Maximum loss is minus 40. Okay. That is how you calculate the maximum loss. Now, how do you calculate the maximum profit? So a shortcut of calculating maximum profit for better, easier, you know how to calculate is you consider this as your spot right now. When you are calculating profit, you are concerned with this bracket only, the first bracket only, and not the second bracket. So you take the first bracket, you say the difference between your strike 2 and strike 1 is of 100 plus your maximum loss, that is your maximum profit. So maximum profit is going to simply be 100, which is 200 minus 100 plus your loss, which is of minus 40. So maximum profit is equal to 60. That is how you calculate your maximum profit. And when you're calculating your break even, you will have two break even in this strategy. The first break even will be calculated from your first strike, and the second break even will be calculated from your second strike. Now in the first, when you're calculating your first break even, how do you calculate your first break even? You say 100 plus your loss, which is 40. So your first break even is at 140. And in your second break even, you say 300 minus 40, which is at 260. So your second break even is at 260. You add to the first one and you subtract from the second one. Now, why do we add and why do we subtract? In a long butterfly strategy, this is your ultimate range that you are operating in. You will have maximum profits only between this range. You will entail losses below 100 and you will entail losses above 300 because of the positions that you have. So let's calculate it for some prices. Let us calculate it for, let's say 290. Let us calculate it for 210. And also let us calculate it for 1000 and maybe 10 as well. So let's take two extreme positions as well while calculating our ultimate payoff. 10 is less than 100 by 90, right? But you know that your maximum losses are 40, and that is why you have a range of 40. This will eventually come out to be minus 40. Okay, it is exceeding this maximum loss range. For 1000, so let's say the price does come out to be 1000. Anything outside of 300 range is a loss to you. And is this a loss to you? Yes. And is this exceeding the minus 40 range? Yes. So this is also a loss to you. Consider 290 and 210. 290, when you're considering 290, does it lie in the first bracket or does it lie in this second bracket? It lies in the second bracket, right? So let's come to 290. You have to ignore the first bracket. 290 is here, and you know that your break even is at 260. 260, if you compare 290, 290 is greater than 30. It is greater by 30. So that is why your loss is of 30. Come to 210. 210 is above 200. So 210 will lie here, right? And from 260, where is 210? It is lower by 50 points. But 260 is your break even. So anything below 260 is profitable to you. Up to 140, right? Up to 140 it is profitable. But now we have to just consider the second bracket. So that is why your profit here is of 50. Let's take one more example of the first bracket. So let us consider, let's say 190. Now, when you see the price 190, does it lie in the first or the second bracket? It lies in the first bracket. So just consider your first bracket. 190 is how much up by 140. 140 is where your break even starts. So 190 is up by 50 as compared to 140. So that is why you will have a profit of 50. And what is your maximum profit? Your maximum profit will be when your option is at the money at 200, which will be 60 from both directions, right? If you calculate, it will be 60 from both directions. From 140, if you add 60, it is 200. From 260, if you subtract 60, it is 200, right? So your maximum profit will always be 200. The second strategy is the short butterfly strategy. And in fact, let's calculate it from a put perspective. So let's say one strike is at 2000, having a premium of 240. The second strike is at 2200, having a premium of 370. And the third strike is at 2400, having a premium of 600. Now what you need to know in the short butterfly strategy is the positions we had in a long butterfly strategy are going to get exactly inversed in a short butterfly strategy. You will have one short position in the first strike, one short on your second strike, and too long at the middle strike. Okay, that is the difference in a short butterfly strategy. Now how do you solve for maximum profit, maximum loss, and our break even? Just like our last strategy, we have to use the similar ideology in this strategy. The only difference is initially we started off with a maximum loss for long butterfly. Here we are going to reverse that and we are going to start off with maximum profit. So just like we calculated maximum loss in our long butterfly strategy, we'll calculate maximum profit in a short butterfly strategy. And what is that? This is the premium that you're going to receive because you are at short position. The last also is the premium you're going to receive. So you're going to have 240 plus 600 because you're going to receive these premiums. And you're going to lose out on two premiums at the long position. So that is why it is minus 2 into 370. And whatever you get is directly your maximum profit, and your maximum profit then amounts to 100. Okay, if you solve for this, you'll get 100, which is your maximum profit. Now let's calculate maximum loss. So just like we calculated maximum profit in a long butterfly strategy by taking into account just the first bracket, we are going to calculate the maximum loss as well. So what is the difference between 2200 in your first strike and 2000? Your difference is of 200 minus your what is your profit. So 200 minus 100, which is equal to 100. So your maximum loss is of 100. And just like we calculated the break evens in long, we also calculate the break even in short. It is same. You take the break even from the first strike and the third strike. So your break evens are going to be how much? Your break evens are going to be at 2100 and 2300, which is 100 less from the last one and adding 100 to the first one. Losses will entail about 2400 and there will be losses below 2000 as well. So losses on both sides, you only entail profits in this range. This is a range just like our long butterfly strategy.